what was it, we had issued by March. So I'd say January, we issued the comments to the IRS. We were one of about 17 other groups or individuals who responded, at least that I know of. There could have been hundreds involved in that process, but we requested that they actually address this matter and have a different viewpoint, and they did not. So that said, we're going to continue on to the next couple of chapters here quickly because we're running into, got about 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to talk about Chapter 12, and this was one of the largest chapters that was in the audit guide. Like I said, it was 344 pages, I believe, and this was approximately about 50 or so, or 60 pages in the audit guide. One of the items that I thought was great, they explained in more detail on this slide what is includable when you're doing the, what counts for space, I should say, yeah, what counts for the floor space for affordable when you're doing the calculation. So, for instance, they explained whether or not the closets count, or if you had a deck that's specific use for the tenant. Those will actually count in our diagram is what we show. And that's important because on the in the calculation in the first year deal, there's a special rule. You have the lower of units or square foot, and then on the last day of the year, it's the same thing, lower square foot, but it's on the applicable last day of the year. Go to our next slide. Excuse me here, sorry about that. And again, this is directly right from the audit guide, and also in Code Section 42C, the applicable fraction, and that's what I'm explaining here. The applicable fraction